All right, that's gonna work out just fine. There's just enough bolt to get a couple, 3 threads beyond the nut after it's tight. I don't know if I could get up in there. All right, where'd you go? Right there. So, then these are lock nuts. They're the kind of lock nut where they smash the nut. It's not round. So, those things ain't coming loose. But I think I'm gonna put a dot of oil on each one just to make it a little more cooperative. All right, man. Gotta tell you, 110 foot-pounds while you're laying on your back, it's not as easy as it sounds. It's about all I had in me, but it's in there. So the one up front, if you notice, it's got that extra piece of angle, and I wasn't able to put the piece of steel, whatever they call it, spacer plate thingy, so I used a washer instead, and we're good to go, man. Yeah, baby, this thing is on there for real.